Have you ever been lazily browsing through the produce at your local grocery and were so captivated by the beauty of a simple potato that you caught yourself thinking, I'd smash that? If so, this video's for you. If not, you're still going to love today's recipe, so stay tuned for the incredible white chocolate mashed potatoes. If you watch enough of our videos, you'll soon learn that Yukon Golds are my favorite potato. And today, we're peeling 2.5 pounds. Not only are they delicious, but they're high in potassium and beautiful to look at. I'm what you'd call a true potato-phile. French fries, tater tots, hash browns, what can I say? I just find them irresistibly appealing. And when you see what we're doing with this recipe, you'll be a potato-phile just like me. Next, we're going to cut these into equal-sized pieces. I'm going for about 1 inch to 2 inches, but the size isn't as important as the uniformity. I can't stress that enough. When we boil these beauties, the goal is to have all the pieces cook equally, so that no parts are undercooked while others might be soggy. Make sure to rinse and drain them a few times to get rid of the excess starch before filling the pot about 1/3 of the way with water. And don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Once they're boiling, let them cook for about 10 minutes or until just fork tender. Then it's time to drain. This might get a little steamy. If that makes you uncomfortable, you might want to look away. Here comes the magic. I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter before adding 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Let's get that nice and hot before adding 4 ounces of white chocolate. Oh yeah. You are not going to believe what white chocolate does to mashed potatoes. You'll feel like your eyes have been opened for the very first time, especially when the sweetness is counterbalanced by our second surprising ingredient in this dish. That's right, Tabasco. I'd start with 8 shakes, whatever that amounts to, and then go according to taste. All Tabasco literally does is tone down the sweetness from the chocolate without adding any heat or real Tabasco flavor. And then smash. Give those potatoes all the love and care that they deserve, because we're basically sliding into home at this point. And then take a spoon and mix until all the butter, cream, and chocolate come together to make this masterpiece of a side dish. The smell alone is something that you won't believe, but just wait until you taste it. And if it needs a little salt, feel free to add some to your liking. And yes, that's chopped parsley. Now, just admit it. If this dish was a profile on Tinder, you'd definitely swipe right. Thanks for watching.